we should be live here. Let me turn my brightness down real quick. It's a little too bright. All the way to 0. Let me turn my brightness down real quick. It's a little too bright. All the way to 0. We're low key. How many points away from the zone? 90 points. Typical potential to reverse here at 57, 58. So I'm not really expecting much today. All the way to 0. We're low key. How many points away from the zone? 90 points. Today. we are slowly pumping. So, not really expecting much today. We are slowly pumping towards this. Do we have any news today? Let me check. Fed. What is this? Fed chair. Oh, wow. Is that when they're gonna select a new POW? Like, I mean, they yeah, no, no, actually, longs look pretty good. Longs look a bit better. Oh my god. Oh wait, Arbelman. What's up? I don't really have a bias right now. I mean, I think we could pump. I think we could pump from here. Mm, our market opened. Thing. How many points is that? Yeah, chat. We're not getting. Yeah, we're not getting. Yeah, we're not getting a setup today, bro. um, Nice rejection off this Asia level. This was I think yesterday's. I think it was yesterday's level. Yeah, it was yesterday's Asia Monday. Mm, 20. Oh,
If you mention anything about ads or admit to it, then they will. So, I mean, you know what I mean? But otherwise, you should be fine. Just come up with an actual excuse, and I'll just hunt down the ads. Make sure that they're not like 2,000 cooks per day, which is crazy. It doesn't make any sense. They're not like 2,000 cooks per day, which is crazy. It doesn't make any sense for you, obviously.
maybe they reject pretty decently off this Asia high or Asia low. Besides that, I don't think we're getting set up today. Not until way later. uh, yeah, honestly, we're not getting anything, Chad. We're not getting anything. Yep. Yeah, honestly, I don't think we're getting anything. At least not something I like. Cause as soon as I woke up, I saw we were like right here, and I was like, yeah, we're not getting a retest. Even if we do, we already went down so much to the point where I think we would like just fully reverse. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. 48. 40. What's his name? This is the retest. I mean, I guess we could pump from here. Getting anything, at least not something I like. We could get a retest right here once we go back up of it, and then damn, I was gonna say stop loss below it, but never mind. um, Jesus, why are we dumping so much? Yeah, and 108 points. Mm. Quit texting the free chat. Do your job, as I call it. Trying to see if we have anything we can reject off of. We low key don't. At least not something I see. Mm. Yeah, never mind. Longs are here, not valid anymore. I think we're just gonna keep on dumping then. Jesus. So um, mm, okay, well, I mean, you can continue. You can do a continuation shorts right here if we reject off nicely. Mm, okay, well, I mean, you can continue. You can do a continuation shorts right here if we reject off nicely. These levels were from yesterday, but they're still pretty valid, at least in my opinion. And then we went down, tapped it perfectly, and then went back down towards it, closed above, enter longs, boom, target this high, 60 points right there. So, let's see. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm getting anything today. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't think I'm gonna get any trades in today. Mm, mm. Yeah, we rejected off this one instead. Um, 30 points. Oh, I forgot to pay my Wi-Fi again. Can you believe it, Arbo? I forgot to pay my Wi-Fi again. Look how slow my Wi-Fi is right now, bro. Look how slow it is. It would- oh my god, what is it? Oh, good thing I'm not playing Fortnite or something. Bro, look at this. 5 megabytes, bro. I'm surprised they even loaded TradingView. Hey, look, we did reject off this high. Oh, what's up, Obama? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Enter short tattoo 35. 35. Okay. Nice, nice. What was your confirmation? TP 180. Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Definitely a good trade right there, for sure. Continuation, making new lows. Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure. Me entry would have been here, honestly, at 253. Target would have been 50 points or maybe below the zone right here, which is like roughly around 85 points. Could see a potential reverse here. But nice, bro. Nice. Good, good stuff. maybe even towards the middle, low key. Yeah, those continuation shorts were nice. It's crazy. These are levels that were from yesterday. So like 99.99999% of everybody like would have already deleted these levels, honestly. And what I kind of noticed was that even though they're already like, been broken through, um, you know, invalidated, whatever you want to call it, for some reason they still tend to like, play out. So I don't know. I was just one day I was just like, looking at the markets and I don't even know how it went. It was a while ago where I kind of realized that even though the levels were already invalidated supposedly, they still worked for me. I don't know. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try these. Um, I kept them. I kept them, and I took like trades on demo, and they seemed to work out. So I was like, you know what? Like I might be onto something. Like everybody used to tell me, like, bro, delete this level, bro. It's not valid anymore. It's not valid anymore. And I used to listen, but then I just randomly like I don't. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even remember what happened. I just remember I kept them. I saw them that they started playing out, and I just kept them until this day. Until this day, I still use them. Let's have a markup. Well, I usually Uh, just keep previous. I usually keep previous day highs and lows. But for example, like these, the reason I kept them was because as soon as I woke up, I saw we were rejecting off here, and we were slowly rejecting off here. I mean, here. So I was like, you know what? These levels might, these levels still might be valid. And look at that. If I didn't have this level, bless me. If I didn't have this level, I wouldn't have known that we were gonna short. I mean, yes, I didn't take it. Yes, I know because I really don't like these type of trade setups. But I was right. I mean, I did say here, but I don't know. I mean, we're close below both of these. So right here, this would have been the better entry. This would have been the worst entry, basically. TP could probably be all the way down here, bro. Sheesh. And this is yesterday's on Tuesday. Wait a minute, no, this is yeah, bro. Good stuff, Obama. Good stuff, bro. Did you exit or are you holding? It's yeah, kind of kind of figured the shorts because usually Trump. What is he doing? What is he talking about? What is your daddy talking about? We dumped because he tweeted about tariffs with China again. At what time did he tweet? Do you know? But like, this could be also a continuation to shorts, but like at what time exactly? I want to see if it correlates with my levels for some reason. Because I see I like call me crazy, bro, but like I seen where like he talks and coincidentally it rejects off one of my levels. It was at 9:47. Let's go to the 1 minute. That's the only way we can see. No, this late. And let me mark it out just to see which candle it is. Bro, I mean, we were already dumping pretty heavy at this time. Wait, someone just texted me. Yeah, I'm surprised we haven't taken out this lower. I mean, might as well, right? I mean, what is it waiting for? Yeah, it's prove that. Talkative. Talkative. No, it was actually at 9:43. 943. 943. Right here. Maybe. Prior to that, 1 minute prior, we were taken off this level. 43. Said 943. Yeah, within this candle that rejected us crazy. You can choose. Yeah, it's crazy. My stream doesn't have any lag, and yeah, I have slow Wi-Fi right now. All right. Yeah, it looks like we're not gonna get anything, bro. Not like anything, especially not from the zone. Not until way later. What about you, Albert? You took anything? What are your accounts looking like? Mm, okay, we're back into this level. Actually, we missed it by a little bit. Mm, Man, we didn't even tap in, and we already falling. Yeah, Chad, it looks like we're not getting anything. If it doesn't break above 265, 265, I would look for a continuation to the downside as we testing those. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I agree with you on that. I agree with you on that. Damn, bro, you're getting good. You're getting good. Nice, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Oops. How many points did you catch? I mean, I know I went a couple hundred, but did you like cash out like at 50, 60? I've been in the lab for a couple weeks. Yeah, nah, bro, good stuff. I'm glad to see that you're learning. I mean, I say learning because I agree with what you said. If it doesn't close above here, like below above this wig, we could still continue down. I call 55. No one earlier, but I didn't take this one. Yeah, no. Like this one didn't really give us a proper entry. It's because I don't like whenever levels are too close because, like for example, in this example, I said we could short off here, but we shorted off here. How many points is that? That like assuming you took it like right away, which I don't know why you would, but assuming you did, you would have been stopped. And since I only trade once a day, I would have been done. I wouldn't have made any money today. But usually, whenever they're too close, like 30 points or less, I usually wait for the other one to be taken out. But then again, if we rejected off this one, why not this one, right? Because that's like another what 30 points. Yeah. And then we're going back down again. Jeez, man, everybody just full port shorts, bro. Man. Yeah. So we're projecting off this and then projecting off this area. Are we close above yesterday's okay, good. I mean, I never really trade previous zones, but I mean, it could still play out. It's crazy, bro. Ever since when did we have that winning streak album? That 16-day winning streak, I think. When was it? It was like uh it was like November, wasn't it? Or January. One of those months, I forgot. No, it started mid-January, ended halfway through the second week of February. February. Yeah, because ever since like March, I think we've been getting like pre-market setups. It's because, bro, like all my setups have been playing during that time. They've been playing out pre-market, or sometimes I would be right, but it would miss my entry by like 10 points or something. Like they were checked off the middle, crazy. I don't know. Ever since then, it just hasn't been the same. Yeah. Yeah. No, I gotta. Oh, I was about to say I didn't even pay for this anymore. Yeah, I don't pay for this anymore. Mm. Yeah, chat. I'm honestly, we're not honestly. Besides this pumping from here off the middle from yesterday's zone, I don't think we're getting anything. Targeting this with stop loss here. 43. Mm. We would have been stopped the break even right there. Crazy. I'm gonna give it two more candles after this one, and I'm gonna call it. Cause there's really no point. I know we're not gonna get anything besides this pump right here. Maybe that's about it. I don't think we're getting anything. Mm, yeah, look at that. We're getting this nice pump up right here. You know, first century stopped at the break even. That's crazy. 50 points right here. It's at 193. So it would be up 40. Well, peaked at 40 points. Let's just see if this plays out. I mean, volume is slowing down, so every time volume slows down, I usually get stopped at break even. So we'll see if we just don't have a random pump or something. Mm, 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 mm. It's not looking good, bro. Yeah, today was just not. This was the only valid setup right here. The only valid setup, which did go like 180 points basically. But yeah, chat, I'm not really expecting nothing at all. I even said earlier in the morning, I'm not expecting anything. So I think I'm gonna just call it. Mm, look at that. Which stopped as a break even, assuming you took it. Look at that. I told you. It's just whenever the volume is slow, I just know it's not. $254. I don't know if I do that on. Oh, yeah. Hey, we still close above the middle, but yeah, my friends, like I said. Mm, it's they were not getting good in chat. I think I'm just call it right now. I mean, there's really no point of being here knowing that I'm not gonna catch anything. And I'm also trying to just give out ideas, but it's just not even giving me anything. I'm always usually done by that time anyway, so uh let's see. Mm, mm, 50K. 165 times 0.40. Um, It's like 100 point yeah, no trades and this. Yeah, 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 exactly. So it's not really, it's not really something I like. So yeah, I'm done. I mean, there's look at the oh my god, that was a pump. I mean, it never closed below, so it was still pretty valid to begin with. Would this have stopped us out though? I mean, besides break even, yeah, that kind of would have stopped us out. 50 points right here. Oh, it actually hit 50 points. Well, barely. Mm. Yeah, it was just top. Just these three candles were just chopping. 75 points. Damn, dude, these markets just haven't been it, bro. I don't know, dude. It's just. Uh, mm, yeah, chat. I'm done. I'm done. Let me end the stream on YouTube. YouTube. Sorry, I wasn't able to catch anything. Uh, like I said, besides this one, this was the only trade that I could have caught. But mm, sometimes it is like sometimes it's just like that. Sometimes you don't catch trades and it's fine. You can wait for the next day, save capital. So I'm gonna end the stream on YouTube.